about the human heart. Come, let's get started. The human heart is an organ that pumps blood throughout the body via the circulatory system, supplying oxygen and nutrients to the tissues and removing carbon dioxide and other wastes. The average adult heart weighs between 300 and 350 grams. Heartbeat is nothing but the pumping action of the heart muscles. The heart is a pump that works day and night without rest. Heart rate is the number of times the heart beats per minute. It has 4 chambers. 2 smaller upper chambers, that is atria, and 2 larger lower chambers, that is ventricles. It is located between the lungs in the middle compartment of the chest. Thus, the left lung is usually smaller than the right lung to accommodate the heart. The left atria and left ventricle are separated from the right atria and right ventricle by a wall of muscle called the septum. The right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood and sends it to the lungs. The left side of the heart receives blood from the lungs and pumps the oxygen-rich blood around the body. The strongest and biggest chamber in the heart is the left ventricle. Its walls are only ½ inch thick, and yet they are capable of pushing blood through a valve into the body. A human heart is roughly the size of a large fist. The average heartbeat is 72 times per minute, 1 lakh times per day. In 1 year, the heart beats almost 38 million times. Specialists who focus on diseases of the heart are called cardiologists. Heart pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood every day. The heart pumps blood to almost all of the body's 75 trillion cells. Only the cornea receives no blood supply. A woman's heart typically beats faster than a man's heart. The heart of an average man beats approximately 70 times a minute, whereas the average woman has a heart rate of 78 beats per minute. The heart begins beating at 4 weeks after conception. There is only one vein in the entire body that carries oxygen-rich blood. It is called the pulmonary vein, and it brings blood from the lungs to the left side of the heart. There is also only one artery in your body that carries oxygen-poor blood. It is called the pulmonary artery, and it carries blood from the right side of the heart to lungs. In the year 1967, the first ever successful heart transplant has been done in South Africa. Children have the highest heart rate, but as they grow older, they get fitter and the heart rate decreases. The heart clocks 150 beats a minute in the fetal stage. This is over twice the beating rate in adults. Blood travels to different parts of the body from heart and comes back to the heart. From heart to lungs and back to heart, the blood takes only 6 seconds for this entire journey. For heart to brain and back to heart, it takes only 8 seconds. And for heart to toes and back to heart, takes only 16 seconds. The heart rate increases and decreases depending on the amount of demand placed on the muscles. When the demand is high, the heart pumps harder to deliver extra oxygen to the muscles for metabolism. Laughing is good for the heart. It reduces stress and gives a boost to the immune system. Eating dark chocolate every day may reduce the risk of heart disease by 1/3. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Thank you.